What's up guys, Decked here, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Black River Ramp J-Dose. So let's get into it. So let's open this guy up. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh sweet, so we got some stickers. One radical, another radical, a big Black River sticker, nice. Paper. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, that is sweet. This is the J-Ramp Dose. Wow, that is really awesome. So we have the bricks on top. They're so smooth. They place each brick individually. That's really nice. Then you have this flat part right here with this side rail. So it's a nice like manual pad there. Then right here you have like this slope up, which is really awesome to do tricks on. You can go up and stuff. It's about like 7 inches wide, like 3-4 inches tall. It's a good size ramp. It's pretty good. Like there's a little comparison to the Box 3, like that. So you can see that. So there's like comparison to like a board. It looks really sweet. I really like that. I haven't had any Black River ramps with bricks yet, so this is like my first time sliding on bricks. Wow, that is awesome. Here's what the bottom looks like. Made in Germany. And I really like this slow part here. You can go up and do like tricks and stuff. It's really cool. This ramp is just really slick, guys. You have a pretty wide base over here actually. It's like a very good size. You have lots of room on it. I really like this part. It's fun. You can just like go up and do cool tricks on it. It's really fun. This is a sweet ramp. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, Decked, and hit that like button. See you next time.